guys, it's Allison. So today I am filming another cleaning room video. I feel like my room is not that messy. I think it should take me 3 hours. Though that seems like a lot of time, that really isn't. I've cleaned my room for like 6 hours straight. But what might take me an extra hour is all those, like, you see all those books back there? I also lost a couple of things that I'm hoping to find. I lost my camera charger. I lost my house keys. I lost my favorite pair of earrings. I lost my favorite ring. I feel like we should be able to get this done. Obviously, if your room is dirty, clean your room along with me. Why not? You're already watching this video. Just let it play. Clean your room. If you don't finish by the time this video ends, I have a lot of other cleaning room videos that you could watch. Just saying. So I'm gonna stop talking because I actually have somewhere to go and I need to be ready, but I also want to clean and I need to do my hair. Like, my hair is not looking its best right now, so don't mind that. Anyway, let's do this, guys. I need a garbage bag. Let me go get one. It's 1:19, so I think I'm gonna tackle the back portion of my room back there. Okay, so update. I feel really sick right now and I just couldn't take doing this section anymore. So I decided to just sweep everything over here and I'm just gonna do it over there. I can't, I don't know what it is, but I just can't be in this corner. Like, it's honestly just making me sick, just like being here. Maybe it's because I'm hungry. I think I need a break. I just need some yogurt. I need something and then I'm gonna get right back to it.
Oh, you're filming. Oh.
My laundry's actually done, so I'm gonna go get it. And I'm gonna go back to cleaning. So I think I'm gonna move on to just clearing off my makeup table. Then I'm going to do the floors, then clear off this table. By the way, I think I'm getting a new makeup mirror for this area, but it's gold. So I feel like the gold is gonna clash with the silver mirror, but I'm not really sure. So just let me know what you guys think about that. right now it is 5:43 and I am still not done. I have a ton of clean clothes I need to put away. And after I do that, I'm just going to put my sheets back on my bed, like my duvet and all that stuff. So yeah, let's just do it. Actually able to find my earrings and my keys. So my keys were found outside, unfortunately. I think the landscapers probably found them while mowing the lawn. And you know what? I really thought they were on the lawn and I checked, but I didn't see it. I guess I didn't look hard enough. But now they're all ugly. But I'm more grateful to have them. This could be fixed. Like I can obviously just get new keys, but they work perfectly fine. And I was able to find my earrings. These are my favorite pair of earrings. I got them from Nordstrom Rack. So I ended up finishing my room at 6:30, which is confusing and a little crazy because the last time I cleaned my room, it was way messier in here. And I finished in like 4 hours. So I just feel like I was probably just moving a little slow. I don't know, I was kind of feeling unmotivated. But anyway, I did it. I finished cleaning. My room is still kind of clean. It's like 99.9% clean right now because you know I got ready. You know, when you get ready, you know, things get a little messy, but for the most part it's still clean. But yeah guys, if you guys love seeing cleaning room videos from me and you want to see more, then make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and comment down below whether or not your room is clean or dirty right now. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.